Welcome to Network YouTube. This is a group that has been set up to try and make it easier to find model railway content and channels that have been uploaded. If you want to join Network YouTube, just drop onto the group on Facebook and you might even be able to add your channel onto the railway map. Good morning everybody from sunny Australia. Today is a slightly different video. It's not an update of Hither Green, but a quick look at the process rolling road for O scale. It's something I was looking for. I found this on the HATTONS website, but not actually in a category that you would expect to find a rolling road. It didn't say rolling road on it, but some other title. But if you look up process, it's in there. I've got a DCC Concepts ones for my double O gauge stuff. It was a multi-scale set and it was really good, but apparently they don't do the larger spacers for O gauge because they believe personally their rollers aren't man enough for the additional weight of an O gauge loco. So anyway, there's the box. And there it is. So I shall just alter the camera angle slightly and come back. Comes with a basic little instruction template of how it all works, but it's all quite self-explanatory. So we'll just go through the parts. You have a support here for a tender. If you've got a steam loco with a tender that sits on the aluminium channel inside. We've got these blocks here which are for the wheel cleaning abrasive pads, so you have these pads here which you trim and stick on. Easy peasy, different size depending on what size wheels you wish to clean, and then half a dozen of the usual rollers, a bit larger than the DCC Concept ones I will admit. These are riveted on so you can't easily replace them, but I'm sure if one fails, to drill them out and fit with a nut and bolt will be quite simple. So it's the usual design, a long piece of aluminium channel, and it's got some nice plastic blocks on the inside and a decent set of buffers on the ends to stop anything running off should it happen. And yeah, so what we'll do now, we'll have a play with the content and go through some of the Legomanbiffo sounds and functions on the chip, which we couldn't do earlier on, just my short little bit of track around the back there. This is my ECOS command station, which is my personal choice of controller, on the basis that it's got a nice touch screen and I don't have to remember numbers. I can select a logo on the menu and select from a vehicle number which is written on the side of the engine, so I don't have to remember whether it's chipped as 1, 2, 3, whether it's 33.1, 33.2, 33.3, depending on how you number it. On this I can number everything with its full number, and we can go easy peasy, and I like that idea personally. So what we have the, in the loco, the Loksound extra large version 4 with Legomanbiffo sounds, an earth moving 2 speaker in the fuel tank, and a mega bass speaker in the body just inside the roof. So that's the setup on the loco, and so what we'll do is we'll go through some of the functions, and obviously as normal, function 1 is to start the thing. I have adjusted the volume on the loco. I've set it down in loudness down to 60 because I wanted quality of sound rather than enough sound to fill a sports hall. So usual basic things: throttle, engine speeds up and it starts to move. and slow down to a stop. And what we have, all the usuals, playable horns, and if I reverse direction, different horns because it's from the different end. We have all the usual other things, cab doors and guards whistles and compressors. And there's a compressor. And bits and pieces, as well as lights and stuff. But what I've finally worked out how to use is the F8 function. So basically I can take the loco up to full speed, under full power. And just wait for it to build up. So now if I engage F8, I can now wind the engine revs down and drive along in about half power, but the speed of the loco doesn't alter. And I can even just coast by throttling off completely, and the train maintains its speed. So you can sort of drive it, play with the throttle. And when you're done, if you just disconnect F8, the speed will now reduce to match, or increase to match the controller. So now it's slowed down about half speed. Then you can bring it to a stand. But that's where we are, so that I now have my rolling roads, so I can play with my locos, run them in, because here the green's only going to be an end-to-end layout. But there we go, that's a better look at the chip of the DCC kits, DC kits rather, not DCC kits, DC kits applied Legomanbiffo sound chip, the V4 of the extra large. Loksound and the F8 function to allow me to coast and drive about at maintained speed. So we'll just show it from this lower angle here, so we'll just wind her up a bit in speed. So running downhill, we can throttle back. We'll come to a stand. We'll go the other way. Coast again. And we'll bring the speed down to match the engine. We're just rolling very slowly. Come to a stand. So if you enjoyed the video, please by all means subscribe, like and comment, and I'll endeavour to answer what people need to know or any questions that people have, and pop along to the Facebook group and see what other video content and channels are available on YouTube for you to watch. So anyway, catch you next time. See you later.